Hello, welcome our Gearresearch channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best rowing machines for home that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Rowing Machine. The reasonably priced Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Rowing Machine offers quite a few convenient features: a comfortable, cushioned seat, anti-grip handles, an LCD monitor that tracks stroke counts, time, and calories burned, and 8 levels of knob-adjusted magnetic resistance for various intensities. Level 2 is good for warming up before progressing to levels 3 and 4 for a more vigorous workout. Levels 5 and higher are more intense, perfect for long cardio-building rowing sessions. Level 7 is for endurance and all-out sprints, while Level 8 offers the greatest resistance and hardest workout. Able to support up to 250 pounds, the Sunny's magnetic rowing machine has a 48-inch long rail in which the padded seat rolls smoothly and quietly. The rower is able to easily fold up for convenient storage and even has built-in wheels. It's easy to assemble and relatively compact, taking up minimal space when folded up and very little square footage when open. This rower does what you need it to do, gives you a full-body workout, and tracks your metrics on an extremely basic LCD window. Like I always say, you get what you pay for. Don't expect a lot of extras, though it does have a device holder, water bottle holder, and padded seat for comfort. There is a 3-year warranty on the frame and 180 days on the parts, which is honestly more than I'd expect for a machine at this price. Number 2, CONCEPT2 Model D Indoor Rowing Machine. The CONCEPT2 Model D indoor rowing machine features solid aluminum front legs, steel rear legs, a flywheel with air resistance, and a maximum user weight capacity of 500 pounds, making it our top pick. Essential for executing powerful and uninterrupted strokes, the Model D's flywheel has a damper for adjusting its air resistance, granting you complete control of the resistance yourself. The harder and faster you row, the more wind the flywheel generates, and the more drag you'll feel. With an air resistance rowing machine, you'd expect a bit of noise. However, the Model D runs fairly quiet. Although not completely silent, it's quiet enough for rowers to listen to music or watch television at a normal volume during workouts. The easy-to-read performance monitor, PM5, tracks stroke rate, calories expended, distance, pace, and watts. It has several built-in programmable workouts and games to motivate you during a workout. The rower also quick and easy to assemble and disassemble and can be taken apart and rolled for storage. Although the Model D isn't inexpensive, it's a worthwhile investment in your health and comes with limited 5 and 2-year warranties. Number 3, Sunny Health and Fitness Compact Rowing Machine. Looking for a no-frills, compact rowing machine? Try the simple, sliding machine that's designed with 12 resistance levels. The handlebar doesn't quite mimic rowing, but at this price, reviewers don't really mind. Check up on your stats with a small forward-facing monitor that displays the time spent rowing and calorie count right on the handle, then congratulate yourself on spending next to nothing. Plus, shoppers rave that it's lightweight, easy to store, and worth every penny. This rower does what you need it to do, gives you a full-body workout, and tracks your metrics on an extremely basic LCD window. Like I always say, you get what you pay for. Don't expect a lot of extras, though it does have a device holder, water bottle holder, and padded seat for comfort. There is a 3-year warranty on the frame and 180 days on the parts, which is honestly more than I'd expect for a machine at this price. Number 4, Sunny Health and Fitness Rowing Machine. This rower has 16 fan blades enclosed in a water tank, creating the same feel and resistance you'd get while rowing on water. The LCD monitor shows your stroke count, calories, and distance, so you can create the perfect training plan for you. But because of its design, only rowers with some experience should buy this option. This machine encourages bad form with its weird footplates. Make sure you are confident in your self-accountability and form before purchasing, one reviewer writes. But that's not a deal breaker. To me, a pretty heavy user, this is a super durable rower. Easy to move, easy to store, and looks pretty sleek. That won't break the bank and is easy for a newbie rower to navigate. Look no further than this machine. Featuring a digital monitor to track basic stats like total time, strokes, and calories, as well as 16 levels of resistance, this machine also offers the ability to customize your workouts and add a few standing upper body exercises to vary up your routine. Number 5, Stamina Austrian Schillings Air Rower Rowing Machine. If you want all of the bells and whistles, you're definitely not going to get it with the Stamina Austrian Schillings rower, but this is a good option if you properly manage your expectations. It has a very basic digital interface that shows speed, distance, time and calories, and that's it. There's no way to digitally control resistance, but one of the perks of a machine with air resistance is that it automatically adjusts to match your speed without the need for too much technology. On that note, there's no immersive iFit-like experience here, but for around $320 you get a fairly smooth rowing stroke and seat glide, although there were several times I hit the stopper at the end of the seat rail, which prevented me from achieving a full range of motion like with some of the larger, more expensive models. This was my biggest gripe, but it likely wouldn't be a deal breaker for casual rowers or anyone who's just starting out with a rowing machine workout. Like, comment and share, please subscribe my channel, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.